Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we'll discuss few examples on permutations on numbers. In our previous classes, we have done some examples. Please watch those classes and come back here. These are the continuation classes. Watch from the beginning. Then only you are going to understand it better. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so the first example is given these numbers 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. From these numbers, how many 4-digit numbers are possible? That is what we need to identify. So the previous examples and this is, there is some difference. The small difference is there. You need to understand the difference. If you understand this difference, it's very easy to solve this example. See here, we need 4-digit numbers. 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. These are the digits. So we are having 4 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to fill this. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. We have to fill 4 positions. 6p3 is the answer, but it is not satisfying here because we are having the element 0. If you place 0 in this position, you are going to get 3-digit numbers. It should be eliminated. Placing 0 in this position is not allowed. This is the point you need to understand. If you understand this, solving it is very easy. So placing 0 here is not allowed. So without placing 0, what are the remaining elements are there? 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. Total how many elements? 5 elements are allowed to place here in this position. So in this position, we can place 5 elements. Once you place any one of these 5 elements in this place, assume that I placed 2 here. What are the remaining elements that possible in this position? Again 5 elements are there because you can place 0 here. 0 can be included in this position. This is the point you need to understand. So in this position you are having 5 elements. 1, 2, 4, 7, 9 can be placed here. Once you place one element, how many remaining elements are there? 4 elements are there. If you place 2, what are the remaining elements? 1, 4, 7, 9. What you can add in the second position? 0 can be added here. So total how many elements are there to place in second position? Again 5 elements are there. Once you place any one element here, the third position can be filled with 4 elements. The fourth position can be filled with 3 elements. This is similar case with our previous examples. So our final output is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. That is equal to 300 cases. 300 different possible 4-digit numbers are possible using these 6 elements. Second example, take the second example 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. How many 4-digit even numbers possible? So this is very important to understand. You are going to understand sum when we are going to do summation. That is the point you are going to understand here in this example. So how many different 4-digit even numbers possible using these numbers 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. So we are having divide this into different cases. Why we need to divide this into different cases? So even numbers means 4-digit even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 positions are there. In this last position, if you place 0, it is an even number. In this last position, if you place 2 and 4, this is a even number. So what are the possibilities you are having? If you want to identify even numbers, in the last position, you can place 0 or 2 or 4. But separate them. 0 is a separate case. 2 and 4 is a separate case. Why? If you place 0 here, remaining 3 positions, you can place any other numbers. Because in the remaining numbers, we don't have 0. Identifying this possibility is a different case. Similarly, if you place 2 and 4 here, you are having a 2 or 4 here, any one of the number. You are having a chance to get a 0 here. Because 0 is included in the remaining numbers. Solving it is a different case. That's why 2 different cases has been separated. Placing 0 here. So what is the possibility to place 0 here in this position? one possibility. 1 multiplied by remaining 3 positions can be filled with remaining 5 elements. 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. How many ways you can fill these 5 elements in these 3 positions? 5p3 means 5 factorial by 3, 5 minus 3 factorial, which is 60. 1 multiplied by 5p3 that is equal to 60. So placing 0 here is one case. What are the possibilities that you are going to get using by placing 0 here? 60 possible conditions you got. Possible 4-digit numbers you got. Similarly, the second case is if you place 2 or 4 here, any one element here, assume that if you place 2 here, so how many ways you can fill these 3 positions? If you place 2 here, what are the remaining elements? Total 5 elements are there, but you are not supposed to place 0 here. If you place 2 here, you should not place 0 here. How many remaining elements? 2, 0. If you remove this, 1, 4, 7, 9. These are the elements you can place here. 4 elements are there. Once you fill this position with 4 elements, second position can be filled with again 4 elements because 0 is included. The same case above in the first example. So 4 elements can be filled here and the next position can be filled with 3 elements. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 and this position can be filled with 2 elements. You can place 2 or you can place 4. That's why 2 multiplied by this position can be filled with 4 elements. 4 multiplied by these 2 positions can be filled with 4p2 ways. 4 multiplied by 3. This total value is 96. So now the point you need to understand, this case you are having 60 combinations, 60 permutations, you are going to get 60 different ways you can arrange the elements. In this case you can arrange 96 different ways you can arrange these elements. These 2 conditions, these 2 cases should be, you should do summation of these 2 values. Why we need to do addition here? That is the point you need to understand, because this possibility, once you place 0 here, this is a separate possibility, and once you place 2 or 4 here, this is a separate possibility. These two possibilities are not going to happen at the same time. Either this happens or this happens. Happening of these 2 possibilities at the same time is not possible. In that case, then we go with the addition. Because either this happens. Total how many possibilities? We need both of them. You can consider this case or you can consider this case. Then we do with addition. So 60 plus 96, that is equal to 156. Total possible values are there. Possible ways you are going to arrange the numbers to get the even numbers, 4-digit even numbers. So once you understand when you have to do multiplication, when you are going to do addition, permutations and combinations is very easy. So total 156 ways. Let's for practice one more example. There is no new concept here. Just for practice sake, we have taken this example 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. How many 4-digit numbers divisible by 5? So divisible by 5 means here 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. In this position, if you place 0 or 5, you can place 5. Both the numbers can be divisible by 5. If you place 0 here, this is one possibility. If you place 5 here, this is another possibility. So what is this possibility? If you place 0 here, remaining 3 positions can be filled with how many elements remain? 5 elements remain, 5p3 ways. That is equal to 60. Plus, if you place 5 here, this position can be filled with 4 ways, 3 ways. Again, we are not explaining it here. You try to understand it. So total 48 ways. 60 plus 48, which is 108 different possible 4-digit numbers that are divisible by 5. Hope you understand these number examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.